Hi sunshine, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started in a comfortable cross-legged position. Lower your right ear down to your right shoulder as you place your right hand on top of your head and you reach your left arm out to the side. Take a deep breath. And switch sides. Come back to center, relaxing your arms as you lower your right ear to your right shoulder again. And now drop your head forward, chin to chest. Left ear, left shoulder. And drop your head back. Let's repeat that head circle again. And now you switch directions. Come back to center as you take some shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. Relax your shoulders and begin to take some circles with your hands and your wrists. Switch directions. Rest your hands back down. Lean your torso to the right and forward and to the left and back. Round your spine, tuck your chin, and let's do that circle again, taking a big body circle. And now you switch directions. Come back to center and start to walk your hands forward, coming into a cross-legged forward fold. Relax your head and your neck. Staying in this forward fold, just bring your arms out towards the sides in a T position and look over towards the right, maybe resting your left cheek on the bed. And now look to the left. We rise back up, lifting your left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Reach your left arm up and back. And now reach it forward towards the bed. Again, reach up and back, opening that chest. And reach towards the bed. Make your way to the other side, coming into your side body stretch. Lift that right arm up and over. Lift your arm up and back. And now reach forward towards the bed. Again, reach up and back. And reach forward towards the bed. Make your way into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Cow pose. Drop your belly low as you look up at the ceiling. And cat pose. Round your spine and tuck your chin in towards your chest. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. Come back to tabletop as you reach your right arm up to the ceiling. Take 2 big arm circles to the back. And now 2 to the front. Lower your hand down as you lift your left arm all the way up and take 2 arm circles to the back. And now 2 to the front. Lower your hand down and begin to walk your hands forward, lowering your chest, coming into a puppy dog pose. So your hips are high and you want to press the shoulders down. So we really want to feel a release in the shoulders and in the chest. Child's pose. Send your hips back onto your heels. Make your way onto your belly, coming into your Sphinx pose as you prop yourself up on your forearms and elbows and relax your legs. You can stay here or you come into a full cobra pose by bringing your hands closer towards your torso and pressing into the palms, straightening the arms and maybe moving the shoulders around. Feeling a few cracks and pops here. And we end in a child's pose. Sit your hips back. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth. You made it to the end of class, so don't forget to leave a sun emoji in the comments to check in. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.